What if I told you the story of satellites started not with rockets but with a falling apple? Today we use satellites for GPS, internet, and TV, but the first one ever built could only say beep beep, and yet it changed the world forever. Satellites are everywhere, guiding your phone, your plane, even your pizza delivery. But do you know the dramatic story of how the first one was launched? More than 300 years ago, Sir Newton sat under a tree and saw an apple fall. That simple fall made him think. He thought, if gravity pulls the apple down, then it also pulls the moon. What if I could throw something so fast that it keeps falling around Earth and never lands? In his book in 1687, Newton drew a picture of a cannon on a mountain. If you fire the cannonball slow, it falls back. Faster, it goes farther. But if you fire it at just the right speed, it will circle Earth forever. This was the birth of the satellite idea in imagination only. In the later 1800s, a sick and lonely school teacher in Russia named Konstantin Sikorsky dreamed a space. People laughed at him, but he wrote, Earth is the cradle of humanity, but mankind cannot stay in the cradle forever. He explained the rocket equation in 1903, how multi-stage rockets would escape Earth's gravity. This became the scientific blueprint for space travel and satellite. Fast forward to World War II. In Germany, Werner von Braun built the V-2 rocket, the first human-made object to reach the edge of space. Though it was a weapon, it proved rockets could go beyond Earth's atmosphere. After the war, the USA and Soviet Union captured German rocket scientists. A new rivalry began, the Cold War. Each side wanted to prove its technological superiority and the best way put a satellite in space. The first leap, Sputnik 1. On a cold night, October 4, 1957, the Soviet Union stunned the world. A giant R-7 rocket carried a shiny metal sphere into space. Sputnik 1. It weighed 83 kilograms, had four antennas, and sent a beep beep signal. People around the world could hear it on radios, proof that humans had touched space. The USA was shocked the space race had begun. Laika, the first passenger. 1 month later, the Soviet launched Sputnik 2 with Laika the dog. She became the first living creature to orbit Earth. Though sadly she did not survive the journey, this showed satellites could carry living beings, opening the path for humans. America answers Explorer 1. Not to be left behind, the USA launched Explorer 1 in January 1958. It carried instruments and discovered the Van Allen radiation belts, invisible zones of charged particles around Earth. This showed satellites were not just political symbols, they could make real scientific discoveries, from beeps to internet. After that, satellites rapidly advanced. In 1960s, weather satellites, live TV broadcast satellites were launched, and later 1970s to 1990s, navigation satellites, GPS, spy satellites, and communication satellites were sent to the space. Today, thousands of satellites connect phone, track storms, guide planes, and even explore Mars. The story of satellites is a story of dreamers and rivals. Newton dreamed of an orbiting apple. Tsiolkovsky imagined rockets when they did not even exist. Von Braun and Korolev built the technology during war. Sputnik shocked the world. and explorer gave science a voice. Now satellites are the invisible backbone of modern life, guiding ships, connecting people, predicting disasters, and unlocking the universe. From a falling apple to a beeping ball in space, the internet in your pocket, this is the epic journey of satellite. Okay friends, we will meet in our next video soon.